Guys, welcome to the Detail Garage. Joseph here with you today, and they asked me to do something a little fun, a little different, and that's to let you guys know what my top 5 favorite products are. And we're gonna go ahead and dive into that right now, and I'm gonna tell you the reasons why they're my favorite products. We're gonna start off with the soap here. We have Glossworks. What's great about Glossworks is it really magnifies any type of paint that has a nice metallic or pearl or something like that to it. Being that my Mustang is a nice orange fury, it has that goldish metallic shine to it. This is an amazing product to end up going with. Works great for, you know, a garden hose type foam blaster or your foam cannon, or even if you're using the bucket method, amazing soap. So again, soap, this is where it's at. Love that stuff, all right? A little bubble bath for the car, if you will. So now we're gonna go ahead and walk over here to our dressing sections. I love, can't say it enough, I actually love Silk Shine dressing. Silk Shine is amazing because it is a water-based dressing. That means that you could use it inside your vehicle, outside your vehicle, no problem. So I use this on anything that's gonna be vinyl, rubber, plastic. That means I use it on my outside trim, on my dash, door panels, anything like that. Plus it has a great smell to it. Again, doesn't attract dust, so if I wanna cruise around with the windows down, amazing product. Silk Shine, where it's at. All right. Oh, I missed that one a little bit, all right? So, over here to our leather products. So for this one, this is a leather quick detailer. What's great about this one is it has vitamin E and aloe in it. And for a newer vehicle that you don't have a lot of wear and tear on the leather, this is an amazing product to go ahead and spray onto a towel. Just go ahead and wipe it down, dry to the touch. Smells great, and you're not gonna be sliding all over the place like a little salamander outside of its little natural habitat, all right? So again, Leather Quick Detailer is an amazing product. Now moving on over here, I have Joey here from Detail Garage Los Angeles. And for that ultimate wet, I like that wettest of the wet, that dolphin skin type look. And you're gonna get that from, thank you so much, Joey, Wet Mirror Finish. I mean, anytime that you see a product that says wet and mirror, I mean, that's about as shiny as it gets. What's also amazing about this glaze is it's anti-static. So for those people that do have dark color vehicles, that means it doesn't attract dust. Now, a glaze, I like to kind of say that a glaze is like makeup for females. Why? Because it helps hide the imperfections. It's not meant to really last that long, but I mean, while it's on there, it's gonna look its absolute best. Now, unlike makeup, it's not gonna go ahead and come off after just one wash. Typically for me, I like to find that this application will go ahead and last me maybe about 2 months or so, give or take. But again, amazing product, Wet Mirror Finish. And we are on right now, I think, that's product number 4 right now is what we're on. So moving on over. So taking a little walk, Hector, over here at Detail Garage Los Angeles, also my favorite smell. So the smell goods, you got to think whenever your car's all nice, fresh and clean, think about your body. You just got out of the shower, all nice, you put on that lotion, but you want to make sure that you smell good. So whenever somebody comes and visits my insides, I want to make sure that my insides smell absolutely fresh and amazing. What better way to do that than with our Signature Scent? Now, what is Signature Scent? Well, first of all, it's one of our #1 selling products. It happens to be my favorite, but this was the stripper scent. So you'll notice that from like the older label. A lot of you guys probably have that out there. The smell is absolutely amazing. Nice and fresh, very clean type smell. So whenever you open it up, I don't tell my mom like, hey, what it is. And she says, man, this smells like very fresh, very almost like potpourri, right? Like, I don't know, you know, a lot of parents love potpourri. So this is basically like potpourri for your vehicle. So where I like to go and spray this at is gonna be in the carpeted section, especially up underneath the dash by where you put your feet. And your AC, put it on recirculating air so it goes through the ventilation system, keeping your car smelling absolutely beautiful. All right, so those are my top 5 products. Now, what I would like you guys to do, if you have any other questions, want more details about these products, please definitely go ahead and drop us a comment below in that section. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and as always, it's a great time spending this moment, So guys, if you need any other further details or happen to have any questions about any of these products that I mentioned, or anything actually in regards to our car care products, please drop us a comment below and we'll definitely go ahead and reply right back to you. Give us a thumbs up. Make sure that you subscribe to our channel because there's always cool stuff going on over here at the Detail Garage. Again, this is Joseph here, and thank you guys so much for tuning in. We look forward to seeing you guys very soon.